Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu nani niyazi angihambi ngedwa ngihamba no?
Shapa phethu kunjani igama Remington Mfokasiwela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile uyena nani wa
Yebo baba.
Sikuthi baba.
Yeah. And today's episode episode ebuhlungu kahle kahle, we should be crying kahle kahle with our African brothers, Nigerian brothers. A history between Nigeria and South Africa is dates back angazi from when we are rivals on everything you can think of, whether it's economy, football, everywhere. We love our Nigerian brothers. Take nothing away from the video that we are doing, but there are just some things to highlight. Nigeria is all they were beaten kuma penalty yashawa iCongo. I had some fan ithi iCongo ngashawa ama-fans ase South Africa. Yeah man, what do you make of iCongo?
Of iCongo.
Of Nigeria. Yeah, of the game in fact. We didn't watch the game, but yeah.
The result.
Yeah, what do you make of the result?
Yeah. I don't think most of us anticipated to see such results. Nigeria being knocked out and not going to win the cup. So as much as it's painful for our brothers, but it is what it is. So
yeah, in fact, guys, this thing you will remember. First, we were docked of points on our qualifying because we had in Nigeria on our group, right?
Yeah.
And they the ones who were advocating for that, in fact. And then eventually FIFA they charged us with 3 points for playing Koena. Yeah, but we ended up qualifying even
without having to go play playoffs.
Yes. You know, and then Bona, I want like yeah, man, Bona. They helped us in beating Benin where we needed in that game with Benin loser for us to qualify, because that we needed to win our game against Rwanda, and that exactly happened. And then by doing that, they end the sport Kuma playoffs, right? Which is the one maybe finally corner is on, right? They guys, I'm trying to be serious. It's just that hey, karma is something else, guys.
Yeah. Yes, right. They were advocating. They were hoping South Africa won't qualify.
Exactly.
And if we don't qualify, they will qualify.
Yeah.
Then they had a chance to qualify. They couldn't. They couldn't qualify.
Yeah, on their own, with all their big name stars that they have. Yo, yeah, ne?
Nice.
Shame.
They will have to watch South Africa play in FIFA World Cup 2026.
On TV.
On TV. No TV.
Yeah. But yeah, man, we'll see you on the AFCON. At least the AFCON is on Casikona, so we can relate. But when we talk about serious stuff like your World Cup, you cannot. We're not at the same level when it comes to that, guys. I'm so sorry to say that, but yeah, you're not on our level when it comes to that. But we'll see you on the AFCON. Yeah, and that's it. Nothing more, nothing less.
Our Nigerian brothers, it's one love, guys.
Yeah.
We love to watch from TV.
Yeah, what happened to you? Yeah, I wish this can happen
every week. Every week. Week in, week out.
Yeah, man.
So of course.
Yeah, but we love you. We love you. Our Nigerian sisters and brothers. One love. See you on another one.